If you want to change the background color in Mailchimp, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. Whether you're updating an email campaign for your brand, refreshing the look of a newsletter, or just making your design feel more polished, changing the background color can make a big difference. And the best part is, you can do it directly inside Mailchimp without any complicated setup. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the Mailchimp email editor for the campaign where you want to change the background color. This is the main editing area where all of your design settings live. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where Mailchimp keeps the styling controls for your email layout. Now click on Styles from the left menu. This opens the design settings for your email, including fonts, borders, spacing, and background options. If you're trying to change the overall look of your email, this is the section you want to work in. After that, click on Background. This will reveal the different background settings you can adjust. Here you'll usually see options for the content area and the overall background. Start by clicking on Content Color and choose the color you want for the main content section of your email. You can pick from the color palette or enter a specific color if you already have one in mind. This is useful if you want the area behind your text and blocks to match your brand colors. Next, click on Background Color and select the color you want for the outer background. This is the color that appears around the content area and helps define the full look of the email. Choosing the right background color can make your email feel cleaner, more modern, and more aligned with your brand identity. Take a moment to compare the content color and the background color together, so the design still looks balanced and easy to read. Once you're happy with the changes, don't forget the final step. Click Save and Exit to apply your background color settings and return to the main editor. Saving is important because otherwise your changes may not be kept. After that, you can preview your email to make sure everything looks the way you want it to before sending. And that's it! You've successfully changed the background color in Mailchimp. It's a quick adjustment, but it can really improve the appearance of your email campaign and help your content stand out. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Mailchimp tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.